time has come, we're back on the road again. It's been a while. The Budge's bus is back, the thought makes us smile. Budge's bus is back. We need that space to breathe and to spread our wings. Through county and country, far and wide. I know you'll be welcome to join us.
Well folks, take 2. We're leaving Shrewsbury now, back down to Dover. And we've got a passport. So we've got another 4.5 hour drive back down to there. So catch you all later. Good company driving. Good for some people, isn't it? Full sleep. Joys of being the only driver. Well folks, we're back now in Canterbury. Yeah, the strange thing this morning with the passports. I don't know if you've seen the video. We left the park up down in Dover at 4:45 this morning. Got in the queue and took an hour and a half from the roundabout at the ferry port to get through to customs and check, and realised Carol, I thought she'd brought the passports, she had only picked up her old passport and didn't think to check. So we've just done, with yesterday and today we've done 840 miles and we've not left the UK yet. So yeah, thanks to my daughter Robin, she did pick the passport up and drive over to Shrewsbury. So that saved us another 150 mile. So we would have been almost clocking on 1,000 miles just to go to the ferry. Yeah, we're at Canterbury Park and Ride now. We couldn't park in the camper area because we're too big. So we've parked down. And, oh, there's fireworks going off. Hang on. Well, there was fireworks going off. I don't know what's happening there. Okay, they're not going to show them now. So let's go and see Carol. And I still love her, even though she did cock us up. We're going over at what time? 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. So we're going to have to leave here at what, 4:15 to get down to the ferry and get back in the queue. Yeah, so anybody that is going over to Europe and they haven't been over since the changes, make sure you give yourself at least 2.5 to 3 hours before your ferry crossing, because the queues were unbelievable this morning. Here she is, the star of the moment.
Hiya.
What did you do?
I'm a bit of a dipsy-do. I forgot my passport.
Well, you had the passport, but you weren't the right one.
Well.
Yeah, well, there you go, folks. We'll catch you in the morning as we go across, hopefully this time, on the ferry. Bye for now. Well, good morning, folks. We've actually made it to the ferry. Oh, let me get the camera right. Yeah, we've actually got to the port today, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. We've gone a bit further. We got to the port yesterday, but we didn't get through customs, did we?
You're not going to let me live that down, are you?
Yes, I will. It's all water under a bridge now. It was a bit upsetting for you yesterday, weren't it?
It was.
Yeah, she really upset herself. But it's like they said at the passport control, weren't it? We weren't the first, we won't be the last.
It made me feel a bit better.
Yeah. DS, the ferry.
Yeah.
They were brilliant. We rung them up at 9 o'clock, explained it, and she said, "Oh, no worries. Would you like to go on tomorrow morning at the same time?" Great stuff. They rung up the campsite.
Yeah.
And the lady there was brilliant. She goes, "Did you want a refund or do you want to book in for tomorrow?" So we're booked in.
Yeah.
There, so it didn't cost, well, it cost us 20 quid, didn't it? And
Yeah.
600 odd miles extra.
Shut up. He's not going to let me live it down. He's
Yeah.
not.
But yeah, it's we did go outside to film the sun rising, didn't we?
Yeah, but we soon come back in.
We came back in. It was, well, according to the temperature on the inside the camper,
Yeah.
it was 6 Celsius, weren't it?
Yeah.
And the wind, I'd say the wind chill was down below that, weren't it?
Yeah.
It was freezing, so we've come back in, put the heating on. We're old now, aren't we? Decrepit, so we've got to keep warm.
You are, I'm not.
Yeah, but I've still got my marbles.
That's beside the point.
Yeah, anyway, that's it. We'll catch you, well, finish this off on the ferry and see you in a bit. So steep. Well, we couldn't have for a better day for a crossing. The wind's a bit chilly, but beautiful blue skies. Look at the scenery.
Has come, we're back on the road again. It's been a while. The Budge's bus is back, the thought makes us smile. Budge's bus is back. We need that space to breathe and to spread our wings. You're coming with us, let Carol and John and spread our wings. On the open road again, miles to go, stories to tell. Budge's bus is back, our journey starts now.